In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning 3D logo with Canva in just 4 minutes. This is a fantastic way to give your brand a unique professional look without needing advanced design skills. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open Canva on your computer or mobile device. If you don't have an account yet, it only takes a few minutes to set one up, and the platform offers a range of free and premium design options that cater to different needs. Once you're in, type 3D logo into the search bar. You'll immediately see a variety of templates designed to give your logo that eye-catching three-dimensional effect. Take a moment to browse through these options, and when you find a design that resonates with your vision, select it. With your chosen template open, you'll see the option to customize it. Click on Customize this template to enter the design workspace. This area of Canva is where all the magic happens, as it allows you a high degree of flexibility to modify the template according to your brand needs. Now, let's adjust the text within the logo design to reflect your brand name or slogan. Simply click on the text box you wish to edit. A text editor will appear on your screen, providing you with various fonts, colors, and effect customizations. It's great to experiment with these settings until you find the perfect fit for your brand personality. Remember, your text should be clear and easy to read, yet carry a distinct style that sets your brand apart. One of my favorite tips is to play around with the color wheel. Choose colors that are representative of your brand's identity, while ensuring they remain vibrant with the 3D elements. This will enhance the overall impact of your logo. If you need inspiration or guidance, Canva's extensive color palettes can serve as a helpful guide. After you're satisfied with your text edits, make sure to review the entire design. Pay attention to the alignment, spacing, and overall balance, as these can greatly influence the professional appearance of your logo. If something doesn't look quite right, take a step back and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, once your design is finished and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to save and download your new logo. Simply click on the download button at the top right corner of Canva. Select the file type that works best for you. PNG is usually a great choice for logos due to its high quality and transparent background option. And there you have it, your very own professionally designed 3D logo, all created in a matter of minutes using Canva. Whether you're just starting a new venture or looking to refresh your brand's look, this method provides a quick and efficient solution. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see the incredible designs you come up with.